Treasury has confirmed that the Northern Powerhouse Rail will be classified again as an England-Wales project, depriving Wales again of £1 billion in funding. Instead, we are being asked to celebrate £455 million spent over 10 years in East Wales. This means no electrification beyond Cardiff, no new station for St Clears, even though it was promised through the levelling up, and no upgrades for Carmarthen Station. So what influence can the Secretary of State bring to bear on the Treasury so that the 1.5 million people who live outside the investment area, who are excluded, get the funding that they deserve?
Here.
Secretary of State, the truth.
Heavy rail projects in both countries are classified as England and Wales, whether the track is in Wales, in England or in both, and they don't attract Barnet consequentials because heavy rail is reserved. So examples of such projects include Padeswood in North Wales and the regeneration of Cardiff Central Station. Surely she must know that the economic corridor from North Wales to the North West is vital for regional integration and the economic growth of North Wales. And the scheme paves the way for more services, more regular services and faster services across North Wales and the North West.